Hey everyone, welcome back once again in your biology class. This is Nausin and you are watching Educational Support. If you like this video, then share it with your friends, and if you want more videos, then subscribe this channel. Do you have some minutes? Today, I gonna teach something to you, that is process of digestive system. So let's get going. So the process of digestive system begins from the mouth to the large intestine and anus. The human digestive system process can be divided into the following stages, namely ingestion, digestion, absorption and assimilation and excretion. So first is ingestion. So glands which are present in our human body, that are salivary gland, stomach, pancreas and liver. All of these glands produces juices and enzymes are present in these juices, and food particles are digested by these enzymes. So in this process we can digest. So mouth, which is also known as buccal cavity. So teeth, tongue and salivary glands are present in mouth, and the human teeth function is to mechanically break down items of food by cutting and crushing them in preparation for swallowing and digestion. So the very first step involves in mastication or chewing. Next is digestion. The process of converting complex food particles into smaller substances in the presence of enzymes and acids secreted by different digestive glands, and salivary gland produces saliva. So after digestion or after ingest food in mouth, there are present salivary glands which secretes saliva, and saliva has an amylase enzyme which digests the food of starch. The salivary glands along with the tongue helps to moist and lubricate food before being pushed down into the food pipe through a peristaltic movement, and this movement help to food move towards the stomach, and in esophagus there is no digestion occurs. In mouth or in stomach there is a secretion of gastric juices, and the enzymes present in the gastric juices are hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus. So the function of hydrochloric acids are to kill harmful bacteria that enters the food and makes the medium alkaline for the action of pepsin. So what is the function of pepsin? It begins the digestion of proteins which present in food to form smaller molecules. And what is the function of mucus? Mucus protect the inner lining of the stomach. So next is absorption. The process begins in the absorption or in small intestine, where most of the nutrients and minerals are absorbed. Now partially digested food enters from stomach into the small intestine, and this area received two glands like liver and pancreas. So liver secretes bile pigment and pancreas secretes pancreatic juices which digest the protein after that food is completely digested in the ileum part of the small intestine. So pancreatic amylase converts starch into the maltose, trypsin converts peptone into peptide, and lipase converts fat into fatty acids. Now the food enters from the ileum part of the small intestine, where millions of finger-like villi are present and in which absorption food. In ileum and in jejunum, erepsin enzyme converts peptide into amino acids, maltose enzyme converts maltose into glucose, and sucrose enzyme converts sucrose into glucose. So next is assimilation. Assimilation occurs when digested food dissolves with blood and go whole body, and excess digested food stored in the liver. So number 5 is excretion. Once most of the absorption of water in digested nutrients is completed in the small intestine, the remaining waste products removed to the large intestine, and the undigested food enters into the large intestine where water is absorbed from undigested food, and then food becomes solid, and this food enters the last part of the large intestine known as the rectum, and after that it moves out from the body. That's all about my presentation. I hope you enjoyed this lecture as much as I enjoyed put it in together for you. If any enquiry, then put down a comment under this video, and also press the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it, and give us a thumbs up, and happy watching. Thank you.